Hey Riri fans, it's me Aria, and I want to do videos for a while now because I'm sick. I don't know if I will be making videos or not, but I have a bad fever and a bad cough, so yeah. I will give you guys an update tomorrow morning and I will show you what's on my head right now. Yes, my eyes is really small. I can't really talk and I have this on my forehead, so yeah. I might not do a lot of videos. I think I can't do videos at all until I'm not sick. Tomorrow I'm going to the doctor. I will give you guys update and morning routine of me going to the doctor. Bye, Riri fans. I will see you next time or maybe tomorrow.